Now we'll discuss about another tool, that is session. Actually, this is not a tool. Okay, the session is set to the user to the web page to store and retrieve values of a user. Okay, you can set the value and retrieve the value. Okay, it helps to identify requests from the same browser during a time period. Okay, in ASP.NET, session state is enabled. Okay, if you set the session name, you can retrieve the session name from any page. Okay, then how to set the session and retrieve the session? Okay, here first you run this program. Okay, this is related to the web page, okay, of email and password. Here I am giving some mail IDs, abc underscore text.com, some any mail ID. Next you enter the password. Suppose here I am entering some password, something 1, 2, 3. See, provide following details, some message it came. Okay, password nothing is displayed because I entered the password wrong. Here I am entering the correct password. Sorry. Okay, password. See, when you enter the correct password, it displays the this email is stored to this session, and it displays the which mail ID here you entered, that mail ID it display. Okay, how to set the session and how to retrieve the session. Okay, see the scripting. Actually, here two text boxes and one button it is required. Okay, for one text box is for mail ID and one text box for enter the password, submitting the mail ID and password. For that one button. Okay, for first text box, here I declared ASP colon text box ID equal to email. Okay, run at server text mode equal to email. Okay, this text box I declared as the email because for email is having some rules, that is compulsory at the rate symbol it will be there. Okay, like that some rules will be there. Okay, those rules you need not to check it. If you define that text mode is equal to email, what are the rules for email? Those rules will be automatically affect to this text mode. Okay, now one text box I declared as the email type. Okay, actually this one I defined as a table format. For that one here I declared the table class is equal to auto style 1. Okay, actually I defined some styles. Okay, cascading styles, that is CSS. For that one here I declared between the style tags, open close tags, type is equal text slash CSS. Okay, that is a CSS type I declaring. Okay, with dot auto hyphen style 1. This is one identification name I given. Okay, in this identification I define width is equal 100%. Another auto style, that is dot auto hyphen style 2 I declared as a variable. in that variable, I define width is equal 105 pixels. Close it the style tag. Next here, table class is equal to auto style 1. Okay, that means with 100% width, table will be declared. In that one, in first row, in table data, I defined as the text box. Next in second row, under auto style 2, I declared as another text box. ID is equal to password. Okay, run that server. Text box is equal to password. Okay, if you enter the password, what are the characters you are entering? Those characters not visible. Instead of characters, it will display the asterisk symbols. When you define the text mode is equal to password, that is just like text mode equal to email. If you declare the text mode is equal to email means, what are the mail instructions or rules will be there? Those will be affected. Like that, if you define text mode is equal to password, okay, for password, what are the rules are there? Those will be automatically affect. Okay, then I close the row. Next, in another row, I declared as a button, ASP colon button, ID login, run at server, text login. If you click the button, calling the function as login underscore click. This function I am calling. Okay. Next, after that, two labels I declare, that is ASP colon label ID is equal to label 3. Another label ASP colon label ID equal to label 4. Okay. What is the use of these two labels? We'll see. Okay. You go to the scripting page under login underscore click. Okay. In this function, I declare C. If password dot text, that is one text box, that is password text box I given name as the password, that is ID name. That ID name, that is password dot text equal to ABC123. That means if you enter the password as ABC123, then it will be true. Other than ABC123, if you enter any password, it will be false. Okay, nothing will be displayed. Okay, because if it is not satisfied, I am not declaring any message. If it is equal, then in session, I am setting the mail ID. Okay, that is session within square brackets. Okay, that is for mail ID, I given the name is email equal to email.text. Okay, in email ID, which mail ID you enter, that mail ID will be set as the session under the name email. Okay, next one, if session email is not equal to null, that means session email is having something information, then it display the label 3. Okay, actually I declared the two labels. Okay, in that one label, that is label 3.text, I am assigning this email is stored this session. One message it will be displayed. Next, label 4.text. Okay, in label 4, I am assigning session name. Okay, in session, what is the name? Actually, this is called as a session key email. Session value is in email.text, which text is existing, that text will be displayed. That information I am converting into string type. After that, I am assigning to the text label. Okay, this is a procedure to set the session and display the session. Okay, suppose if you set the session, generally it will be displayed. Run the program. Okay, here see, here it is displaying session, it is created. If you go to the more tools, in developer tools, under the developer tools here, some session will be there. Okay, under the session, see here, localhost. Okay, the port number is 49765. Okay, under this port, the session key value has to display here. Okay, see the port number, both are same. That means this session, which session you created, that session key means session key means email. Next to values, this one, it has to display here. Okay, because of some browser settings, okay, it is not displayed. Okay, if you are not clear the session or cookies, it will display here. Okay, the next topic, cookies. In cookies also, the cookie name will be displayed here. See, like this, it will be displayed as session. Okay, because the session is clear. That's why that key value, it is not displaying here. Okay, this is a procedure to create the session. Okay, now this is the end of the today's video session class. See the next.